Let me show you how to make this my smoothie recipe. I normally call this 5-star smoothie recipe. You're going to love the taste. I'll be using green apple for this. I enjoy using green apple a lot for this smoothie recipe. It's very easy. Every time I'm trying to make something very simple for myself for breakfast, I enjoy this smoothie recipe. It's very unique and the taste is very amazing. You're going to enjoy every flavor of it. Cut your green apple into smaller pieces so it will be easy for you to blend. So after you finish blending this, step this aside. As I said, I love this smoothie very much. So step your apple aside. Also, I'll be using cucumber for this. I'm using half cucumber for this recipe. It's actually tastes amazing. You're going to give this smoothie a 5-star. As I said, it's my 5-star smoothie recipe. I really enjoy the taste. On a very busy day, I enjoy preparing this simple smoothie recipe. Cut your cucumber into smaller pieces as well, so it will be easy for you to blend with your blender, because you want something very smooth and you want to get all the nutrients in all your fruits and vegetables you are combining together to get this perfect smoothie recipe. Cut the cucumber into pieces and step this aside. So let's combine all our ingredients together to get our perfect smoothie recipe. In a blender jar, add your cut apple, then go ahead and add your cut cucumber as well. I'm going to show you other ingredients that we will be using. So go ahead and add your cut cucumber as well. All these ingredients are very healthy. So go ahead. I'll be using blueberry for this recipe. I'm using 1 cup of blueberry. You can also use half cup. It all depends on how big you want it. So there's one secret ingredient I'll be using. I'm not using milk for this recipe. I'm using pineapple juice for this. This is homemade pineapple juice. So go ahead and blend everything until it's very smooth. As I said, these ingredients are very unique and they taste so amazing. You're going to enjoy this smoothie recipe. You do not forget, I do not add milk to this smoothie recipe. Also, I do not add yogurt to this smoothie recipe. But you are going to be so amazed with the taste. This tastes very good. Let me know if you are going to try this recipe in the comment section. Please do not forget to give this video a like. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed to my channel yet. And please do not forget to share with your loved ones. Let me know what you think about this recipe once you try it in the comment section. I hope to see you in my next video. Please stay safe. Thanks so much for watching. Please do not forget to watch more of my videos as well.